Every story has a hero. However, sometimes we choose our heroes. I've always wanted to film real people who pump up the adrenaline. When Sony asked me to make a film with the FX3 cinema camera, I knew I was going to push it to the max. The idea was to film 4 action-packed skills connected through a cinematic relay, the story of a filmmaker from one extreme to another. And now, we're gonna share everything that went behind the cinematic relay.
We end up seeing a 4-minute film, but there's a lot more that goes behind making that 4-minute film. There's more than 4 weeks of just planning, phone calls, execution, working around a pandemic with a limited crew size, with travel restrictions, the planning, the execution, the passion. Sometimes it can get stressful. There's a lot that actually goes behind making stories come to life. And as a storyteller, I've always loved to make sure that everything that I have in my vision actually gets translated into what we see on screen. But the process of actually me ideating something to actually bringing it to life has this very incredible journey, which I really wanted to share with you guys. For all you aspiring filmmakers who were inspired by this video and want to create content like this. So it's going to be a 3-part series. The first part is about how we filmed cinematic sequences around snow. The second part is about how we mounted the FX3 Cinema Line camera on an FPV drone for the very first time. And it was one of the most challenging yet one of the most fulfilling experiences of my life. And the third part is going to be about how we film run and gun sequences with a very limited gear and limited crew setup. These 3 parts is what we've put together to share the entire experience of what went behind creating the cinematic relay. And apart from this, on this channel, I'm going to try and bring out something called Reel to Reel. Now, this is going to be behind the scenes and making videos of all the content that I have created or I will create for brands like BMW, Sony, all the ad films I've directed for brands like Standard Chartered, ICA Lion, all the music videos I've done. And it's going to be very interesting for me to actually share the process of what actually goes behind to bring the Reel to Reel. It's a comparatively new channel, so please do subscribe to the channel and give it and show it some support, because my team and I are trying to put out some really exciting content for filmmakers, for creators, for people who love storytelling, for people who love to create experiences out of ideas and actually bringing it out to life, for people who love to create video content, for people who just like good, positive, fun, entertaining, magical stuff. So yeah, please do subscribe. Please hit the bell notification if you guys have already subscribed. Like this video if you liked it. Please do share it with your friends, because this is going to be a very interesting experience that we guys are bringing out for you. Part 1 is going to be releasing this very week on this very channel. So please stay tuned and please feel free to leave your comments. I'm a very communicative person that way. I'm on Instagram, which is here. I am on Facebook, somewhere here, and YouTube is exactly where I'm communicating with you guys. So stay tuned, subscribe, and I'm going to see you very soon.